He's playing possum. He's just trying not to upset him.
He wants to be friends.
Yeah, he's just going to coax him to the boat.
I think it's a shark.
Think so? I don't know about that.
I think it's a goldfish.
Shark shit, he's pulling the shark.
He's pulling the boat.
Pulling the boat over that way.
So he's playing tap sticks on the side of that boat with that rod. I'm glad the side of the boat was there. You'd been in the water by now.
Come on, babe. Come on.
He's got to have his fun.
He's going the wrong way.
There's some big ones out here today, my God. You got one?
I gotta get this line back I lost.
Yeah, he picked me, I guarantee it.
Picked you?
What you waiting on?
I'm giving him a rest.
Hey,
to recharge.
how old is he now?
87.
87 years old. You ain't got no excuses.
He's every bit I get up, he wants to take back.
He's an equal opportunity fish, you know? It's like he hit it, didn't it? Yeah, he did it. That was like that one I did. It was, the hook went from the mouth to the inside. You taking a video?
He said, ain't that something?
Another baby bait?
I wonder what school he went to.
Huh?
I don't know. He's trying to get back to it, isn't he?
Yeah.
Go ahead and pour the coals to him.
Give me your best move now, Ben.
Come on, babe. You still on there?
Break his spirit, Ben.
Come on.
He's 50 feet deep. You only got a little bit to go.
Oh, here, got one. Another one.
Baby. Yes, sir.
That's a fighter,
Mama.
huh?
You got to turn him around, Hank.
Yes, sir, mama. Gone.
Did he get off?
You're starting a trend over there.
You must have pulled off your bait all the way up.
Just don't make him mad.
Yeah, he did.
I don't know how you keep missing him. How's that hook look? Is it okay? Turn that handle. Get him. There you go. While he's sleeping, go ahead and bring him on in.
He ain't sleeping.
He's waiting to make his move, ain't he?
Yeah.
I don't see. Well, I do see him now. I can see color down there, about 30 foot deep, probably. Oh yeah, he's mad.
What happened, babe?
He snatched it back down. You see what happened to him, Hank? He went to school down here in Jacksonville.
School of hard knocks, huh?
Oh man. I'm glad I had that on the camera because I was turning my head. I heard that rod tap.
Go get him, man.
I'll tell you what.
As soon as I get him up here, he goes back down.
Bet you'll put a squid on next time, won't you?
Don't worry, those damn big ones. Oh, shoot. He must be getting close to coming up now, isn't he?
Yeah, he ain't but about, he's about 25 feet under the boat.
I see.
About the length of the boat deep. Yeah, a little more than the boat now.
It's amazing how strong those things are. Right?
Ain't it though? And let's put that rod on that. I can see him down there. It's an amberjack.
Say, is an amberjack?
You about got him whipped now. Well, he's got some friends with him too. Woo! You're gonna find out why he's so strong in a few minutes. He's grown. I can see another one just as big swimming with him.
Coming up.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a nice one.